Hello and welcome to another update video about PENGU. PENGU might currently be in the pullback. Talked a couple of days ago about PENGU here on this channel. A lot of you have asked for another update. It's obviously a meme coin, but it's moving up in very impulsive ways. So the idea is still that we, from this swing low I explained the structure overall in the last update, but let's just focus here on the 1 hour time frame for now. Oops. This chart doesn't really have the longest chart history anyway, but the idea is currently that we have an initial 5-wave up from this swing low in June, and then there was a corrective pullback, basically a 1-2 setup. And then we had possibly the start of the third wave. And if you follow my work, then you know that my ideal targets for a third wave indicate that we should get to the 138% FIB extension, Fibonacci extension, in this third wave. And that's at 4.38 cents. That's not indicating we couldn't go higher, right? But it's like the first ideal target that ideally should be reached. And so far, the price hasn't reached that level yet. Okay, so I would expect it to still get there, at least if this roadmap is correct. I mean, can be wrong about that. I mean, it's not even. I mean, it's not even. It's a meme coin, right? So, okay, there's a brand behind it and everything, but it's a meme coin, so things can break easily. Okay, don't expect there to be much. It's not useful, this coin. I mean, who needs it? But again, it's a meme coin, so there are support levels. As long as they hold, we go with this scenario, and support is between 2.1 cents and 2.79 cents. As long as it's holding, expectations would be for at least one more high in this third wave there. Let us zoom in a little bit. And let's look at the structure, and it does still look like a 3-wave move down to me, okay? So I'm considering this at the moment only the A wave of the wave 4. Surely it could be all of the wave 4, we need to consider that. But this here looks like an A, B, and the C wave in 5 waves, so might get one more low in wave A before the B wave bounce starts, and we're now closing in on Fibonacci support. So the next level is obviously here the 2.79 cent level. And I mean, I've already run out of wave degrees, but basically this is an A, B, C in A, and then the C wave is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this is already smaller really than we should go with a coin like that, but that gives you a bit of an orientation. There's also some structural support probably in this area around 2.8 cents. So there could not only be Fibonacci support, but structural support as well. We're going to add resistance to the chart. We need to understand that B waves don't really respect resistance levels very much, but this is sort of the first resistance area to watch. So when the price moves into this area and we don't see a reaction, maybe the 5th wave is already unfolding and takes us directly to the next high. Yeah? But overall, the idea is, and this is kind of the bottom line here, support for upside trend continuation is located at 2.17 cents. So as long as we're holding that, we should expect higher prices. In between, there is, of course, potential for a short-term pullback that is likely playing out right now. That's the update on PENGU. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure to follow us on X for additional updates. You'll find the link to our X profile in the video description. Join us here, ask questions if you like to, and join the community. There are additional updates and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.